Hi, I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse, and I want to welcome you aboard the most popular 26-foot center console in the market. This is the Sportsman 261 Heritage. Whether you like running offshore, cruising the intercoastal, or anchoring up at the sandbar, this boat adapts without you having to think twice about it. And that's really where the 261 Heritage separates itself. It doesn't force you to choose between fishing or family. It's built to do both and do both well. Let's take a look at all the specs. With a length overall of 26 feet 6 inches, a beam of 9 feet 5 inches, a draft of 22 inches, approximate dry weight of 5,668 pounds, and a fuel capacity of 182 gallons. Starting up at the bow, this is one of the most flexible spaces on the entire boat. Front and center is the electrically actuated table that completely changes how you use this area. Keep it raised and you've got a great spot to sit, eat, or hang out. Bring it down halfway, drop in the cushion, and it becomes a sun lounge. Lower it all the way to the deck, and now you've got a clean, open deck for fishing. This seating up here is deep and secured, with removable backrests so you can easily switch between comfort and function. And underneath, there's plenty of storage for everything you want to keep out of sight but within reach. At the bow, even the anchor system is designed to make your life easier. As you're pulling the anchor in, there's a freshwater washdown in the hatch so you can rinse everything off before it goes away. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference over time. Right in front of the console, you've got a forward-facing seat with backrest, and beneath it is an insulated cooler, exactly where you want it to be when you're spending time up front. As we move aft, you'll notice how easy it is to get around this boat. The walkways feel open and secure, and the added width really shows itself. Inside the console, you'll find a fully enclosed head compartment. It's roomy enough to change comfortably and is also equipped with a porcelain toilet and holding tank. Stepping into the helm, everything is laid out in a way that makes sense. This boat features Sportsman's SportLink system, which brings your Garmin displays, Fusion radio, and JL audio sound system with digital switching into one clean interface. It's all done at the factory, so everything works together the way it should from day one. No guesswork, no need for add-on later. Up above, the hardtop immediately stands out. It's larger than what you would typically see in this class, giving you more shade and a better coverage. But just as important, the structure behind it is built for strength. So when you're running offshore, everything feels solid and secure. The helm seating is designed to keep you comfortable whether you're running or relaxing. You've got flip-up bolsters, armrests, and 180-degree swiveled seats. Turn them aft at the sandbar, and now the helm becomes part of the social space instead of just being separated from it. Behind the seats, there's a cooler that doubles as a footrest. At the aft, you have a full-width bench seat for when you're cruising with a group, and when it's time to fish, the cushions come right out and this space opens up. The rear seating can also be positioned to face the stern of the boat, which completely changes the feel of the boat at the sandbar. And if you want full access, you can clear it all entirely. At the stern, there's also a dedicated sandbar cooler with access from the outside of the boat, along with a built-in stern anchor setup. For fishing, you are set up with dual in-deck macerated fish boxes and twin aquarium-style live wells in the transom. They're not just functional, they're easy to access and well thought out. One feature you don't always see in this size range is dual side entry doors, both opening a full 180 degrees. Whether you're docking, boarding, or getting in and out at the sandbar, having both sides available just makes everything easier. Out on the water, this boat performs just as well as it functions. It gets on plane quickly and runs efficiently. And paired with a 22-degree dead rise, it gives you a smooth, confident ride when the conditions change. And the boat is integrated with a Seakeeper ride. It's truly unstoppable. At the end of the day, what makes the Sportsman 261 Heritage stand out isn't just one feature. It's how well everything works together. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the Sportsman 261 Heritage. If you're looking for a 26-foot center console that's truly special for our Southwest Florida waters, this is it. If you'd like more information or explore available inventory, or maybe even schedule a sea trial, we'd be happy to help. I'm Ana Silva with the Boathouse. Let's go make some waves together.